And my god, this trophy wife highlighter. How am I looking? How am I looking? I can't stop. I can't stop. I think Fenty has killed it. Like, killed it. This is my first English language vlog and I'm very excited about it. Alright, so where am I? Firstly, I'm on Oxford Street outside John Lewis. I'm trying on the Mercier Flawless Fusion under eye concealer. Before I buy anything, I usually do that. I try it on, leave it on till the end of the day, see how it lasts, and then if I'm happy with it, I go and purchase it. Anyway, that is me. So today's plan of action is a little bit of strolling around on Oxford Street. I have to nip into a few shops, do a little bit of shopping, window shopping. I have a list on me, and then we are going to head home. So yeah, I thought I'll take you along with me today on Oxford Street. I'm going to show you actually. I'm going to show you how my concealer looks right now. To be honest, I'm pretty happy with the coverage. I'm looking for something, you know, like daily wear, so I think it looks quite good. I'll see how it looks at the end of the day after a few hours. It's about 4ish now, so not bad at all. Now I'm going to House of Fraser because I want to try the Giorgio Armani Luminescent foundation. I want to get color matched and I want to see how it looks on me. So that's the next thing on the agenda. Let's go there.
I understand.
Okay, I'm still learning, but I'm right outside Selfridges now. I tried John Lewis, I tried House of Fraser, but apparently nobody stocks Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation there. And it was only 5 minutes down here, so I came down. I am a kid in a candy store in Selfridges every single time. Like, it can't get old for me. Anyway, this is how it looks. I think, no, I don't think, I know. I'm shade 8, she said, in the color match. And I have to give 10 on 10 to the Giorgio Armani customer service. They talk so well, they explain everything perfectly, and I don't mean talk so well in the way that they don't talk badly to the customers. I don't mean that. I mean knowledge wise, they tell you everything. I don't know how to hold the camera. Okay, so they tell you everything, what is why, and the science behind it and everything. And before I tried this, I had done all my research possible on... Okay, I'm still so shaky with the camera and the tripod. Okay, this is my brother.
Hi.
Can you hold this for me, please? Okay. So I had done all the research possible in the world on the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I was so excited to finally try it, get it color matched. I got a little sample now, which all the brands anyway do. So I'm going to see how this lasts till the end of the day and then come and buy it because I've pretty much made up my mind. It honestly feels like there's nothing on my skin, and I'm so happy because it's so lightweight, gives decent enough coverage, not like a full face of makeup on, and I can still see my skin. The skin can breathe. I love it. Alright, we are going to head to Harvey Nicks now. I need to try Fenty Beauty. That's why my brother's shouting 10 to 10. I'll see you in a bit. I'm hands down excited for Fenty Beauty so much. I want to literally jump here because it has single-handedly changed the conversation about makeup and beauty industry and all of it. So I'm off to Fenty Beauty counter now. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Look at this. Finally, I'm at the Fenty Beauty counter. And this lipstick, red is my favorite color. And this lipstick I've been waiting to try since like it came out. Look at the swatch. Just look at this. So many. This is what we mean by shade range, catering to all the skin tones present on this earth. I think so. I'm a huge Fenty Beauty lover, so I'm never going to talk bad about it. I'm just not going to. But let's just begin with the hero, okay? The primer and the 40 colored shade range. The queen All hail the queen. I'm just going to take a moment and celebrate diversity. Oh, the gloss bomb. Alright. I'm actually going to sit on the chair and get color matched now. Can't wait. How am I looking? How's the foundation and the lipstick? Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm looking at the flip screen. I quite like the finish of the foundation. Quite like the coverage. My god, it's really lightweight. It feels like I have nothing on, like literally. Am I glowing yet? This is the Trophy Wife highlighter. My god, it's the stuff of my dreams. Literally, I'm a glitter bomb right now. And I'm looking at the flip screen because I can't stop looking at myself. I'm so impressed with the coverage. My good lord. And it's a really good hair day. Bloody good hair day. How am I doing with the camera angles, guys? You need to give me feedback in the comment section, okay? And I would show you something. I'm so happy. I'll tell you what I got. I got the Pro Filter. I keep looking into the flip screen. This is a problem. I got the Pro Filter, the primer. I got the foundation. My shade is Neutral 350. In case if anybody is wondering. And then I also got the concealer. This is the concealer. And it's the matte stick sand. And I also bought the lipstick because I love being uncensored. So I got the primer, the foundation, the concealer and the lipstick. 4 things, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to put this on every single day. And what an experience. Like, am I glowing yet? Can you see my highlighter? Also, I'm not an eyeliner girl. My best friend is, but I requested her to put the eyeliner on me, and I think she's done such a good job. What do you think? I'm really happy with the Trophy Wife and the highlighter, and I really wanted to buy the gloss bomb, the lip luminizer. I remember all the names thanks to my research, but out of money for today's trip. Okay, so we'll do one thing at a time, and I think it's time to go home now. I'm home now. I'm going to end this vlog here. Please let me know in the comment section below, how did you like the 2 foundations that I tried on today? And also please let me know if you think I did an okay job, considering that this is my first vlog in English language. In my experience, like, to be honest with you, I have enjoyed vlogging, except the holding the camera part. I mean, I know I can get someone to do it for me, but I do want to get better at this, and I keep looking at the flip screen. But yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed vlogging. I'm thinking what else I have to say. Oh yeah, oh wow, this is killer lighting. Should I say everything again? Alright guys, I'm going to head off now to the kitchen to hunt for food. I just want to quickly add here, in case if I have missed saying anything that I wanted to say but I have missed or forgotten to say, I'll add that in the description below. So please do check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon below, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Until we meet, much love. Bye.